Hey. How's it? Oh, I forgot my oven mitt. Hold on. Hold up. I forgot my oven mitt. Don't panic. Okay, there we go. Alright. This is a good start. I'm happy about that. I like that. There we go. Hello. Hi, everybody. I was told I was a little loud last time, so turn your volume down. I tease, I kid. Is that somebody having a theory that I'm so loud all the time on my own streams because I'm actually always yelling, and I would say that that's about 95% correct. And the other 5% of the time is internal screaming instead of external screaming. So, it's been a while since we've done one of these. Last time on Dragon Ball Z, arrests were happening. Echo. Is there an echo? Let me know if there's an echo. There shouldn't be an echo. I don't know what would be causing an echo. If there's an echo, we're in trouble. Yeah, anyway. Last time on Dragon Ball Z, arrests had happened, and there was some domestic violence charges dropped for things outside of the Non-Sequitur show. Kyle's bail was posted by someone on the domestic violence charge, and he ended up being held because of the Non-Sequitur showcase. So there was a hearing, but we're going to start. Last time we left off, we were on 71, so we're going to take a look at 72, 73, 74, and 75. And we'll see where we're at. So hopefully by then, everybody is caught up. There has been shenanigans afoot. Surprise, surprise, surprise. There is also a drop for Katie Joy versus Todd Chrisley, and if I'm not mistaken, Steve is going to be going live about that later tonight, and I will be going live about that on Sunday. So I will see you guys there for that. I'm also pretty sure Emily D. Baker is going live about that, so if you want something that's a little bit less just a, hey, this is what's happening, and a little bit more of an in-depth legal perspective, go check that out. Let's take a look, shall we? Number 72. It's the order for arrest. So that we were already aware of this. We've already seen this. This was like the second order of arrest for Kyle. Nothing really new with that one, and we do know that he was arrested. Other court filing. So after he was arrested, this is what happened. So this is 0505. Bun up. If it loads, there it loads. Guilford County, Kyle Curtis, waiver of counsel. As the undersigned party in this action, I freely and voluntarily declare that I have been freely informed of the charges against me, the nature of and the statutory punishment for each such charge, and the nature of the proceedings against me, that I have been advised to my right to have counsel assigned to assist me, and my right to have the assistance of counsel in defending against these charges or in handling these proceedings, that I fully understand and appreciate the consequences of my decision to waive the right to assigned counsel and the right to assistance of counsel. I freely volunteer knowing that and knowingly declare that 1 or 2, he chose 1, which says I waive my right to assigned counsel, and that I hereby expressly waive that right. Signed, dated, judicial office, whoever that is, that the name of the judicial officer. So this is Kyle waiving his right to a defense, or waiving his right to counsel. He has now, as far as I know, as per the hearing, he's getting assigned counsel, so he wanted a defender. Order to show cause and notice of hearing. State of North Carolina, Guilford County, Stephen McCrae, plaintiff versus Kyle Russell Curtis, defendant. Ooh, I've still got it. It's been a while. In the General Court of Justice, Superior Court Division, 19 CVS 8163. I'm gonna get this I'm gonna get this trans stamped or something. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this tramp stamped. Oh wait, my mom's here. I didn't say that. I'm not doing that. I'm not going to get The non-sequitur show court case number tramp stamped. Order to show cause and notice of hearing. This matter is before the court as a result of defendant Kyle Russell Curtis, Mr. Curtis's failure to comply with multiple orders of this court. The court does not repeat but incorporates by reference the procedural history in this matter as stated in the court's 19 April 2021 order on amended motion to show cause, 19 April 2021 order paragraph 2 to 11 ECF number 57. So if you've been following, the courts have basically made their decisions. So if you are interested in like a summation, ECF number 57, whatever part that is, I think I'm going to go back into the history of these and I'm going to start putting ECF numbers in the description so you know, like, or in the title, so that way you know how many we've covered and in which one they are. So it makes it easier for reference. In addition, the court incorporates by reference its findings of fact and conclusions of law set forth in the court's 30 June 2021 order to show cause and notice of hearing on this is 30th June 2021 order paragraph 5 to 45 ECF number 66. The court also incorporates by reference its additional findings of fact as set forth in the court's 19 July 2021 order to show cause and notice of hearing, 19 July 2021 order, paragraph 4 to 11, ECF number 69. Additional findings of fact. So they're saying that everything that we've said previously still stands, and now also we're adding this. On 19th July 2021, the court issued an order scheduling a hearing with respect to both criminal and civil contempt to take place on the 13th of August 2021 at 2:30 p.m. 19 July 2021 order paragraph 12 to 13. The court also issued an order of arrest, ECF number 70. Because the order of arrest had not been served on 27 July 2021, the court issued an order continuing the hearing scheduled for 13th of August 2021 to a date to be determined, ECF number 71. Mr. Curtis was arrested in Wake County on an unrelated matter on the 30th of August 2021. On 1st September 21, he was served with the order of arrest, ECF number 72. Yes, so for anybody who is unaware, Kyle was arrested on separate things on 30th of August 2021, which I then declared Burger King Day. It is the day of Burger King. So that will stand as the day of Burger King as Kyle went to jail. And stayed in jail because of the non-sequitur showcase, because of a YouTube channel. Yes, this happened. This is real life. I don't know why we're in this timeline, but we are in this timeline. Ugh. Official Burger King Day. Praise be. Additional conclusions of law. I didn't skip anything, did I? Yes, that's when he was served. He ended up being served while he was sitting in prison or jail. I don't know, it's different in the States. I don't know which one it was. Additional conclusions of law. Mr. Curtis remains required to show cause why he should not be held in civil contempt for his continuing failure to comply with the judgment. Separately, Mr. Curtis's failure to comply with the court's 13th May 2021 order, ECF number 61, and to appear for the second show cause hearing held on 25th of June 2021, as well as his failure to comply with the court's 30th June 2021 order and to appear for the third show cause hearing on the 15th of July 2021. Absent cause would constitute 2 instances of indirect criminal contempt. Mr. Curtis has been warned and is again warned here that the punishment for each offense of criminal contempt may be censure, imprisonment up to 30 days, fine not to exceed $500 or any combination of the 3, and North Carolina General Statute 5A12. A person who is found in civil contempt may be imprisoned for a period that lasts as long as the civil contempt continues. The court will hold a plenary hearing on the 15th of October 2021 at 9:30 a.m. in courtroom 3D of the Guilford County Courthouse 201 South Eugene Street, Greensboro, North Carolina 27401. Mr. Curtis is ordered to appear and show cause as to why he should not be held in criminal contempt and sentenced in accordance with North Carolina General Statute, paragraph 5A-12A. for his failure to follow the court's 13th May 2021 order and its 30th June 2021 order. Also on 15th October 2021 at 9:30 a.m. in courtroom 3D, the Guilford County Courthouse, the court will conduct a show cause hearing with respect to the civil contempt matter pending as a result of Mr. Curtis's continuing failure to comply with the court's judgment. Mr. Curtis is again directed to paragraph 19 of the court's 13th May 2021 order for a list of the documents and information he is required to provide plaintiff. Mr. Curtis has the right to assistance of counsel, which he may exercise or waive at his election. On 3rd September 2021, Mr. Curtis executed a waiver of counsel, ECF number 73, which we just looked at. Should he decide to retain counsel prior to the 15th October hearing, a notice of appearance should be filed with the Guilford County Clerk of Court, as well as in this court's electronic filing system at least 3 days prior to the 15th of October 2021 hearing. Conclusion. It is hereby ordered that defendant Kyle Russell Curtis shall appear before the court at 9:30 a.m. on Friday, 15th October 2021 in courtroom 3D of the Guilford County Courthouse, 201 South Eugene Street, Greensboro, North Carolina 27401, to show cause why he should not be found in criminal contempt for failing to comply with the court's 13th May 2021 and 30th June 2021 orders, and it is further ordered, this sounds like a Dr. Seuss book. When Tweedlebeetles fight, it's called a Tweedlebeetle battle, and when Tweedlebeetles battle in a puddle, it's called a Tweedlebeetle puddle paddle battle. Oh no, I forgot the paddles. When Tweedlebeetle beetle with puddles and paddles, it's called a Tweedlebeetle puddle paddle battle, and it is further ordered that defendant Kyle Russell Curtis shall appear before the court at 9:30 a.m. on Friday, 15th October 2021 in courtroom 3D of the Guilford County Courthouse, 201 South Eugene Street, Greensboro, North Carolina 27401, to show cause why he should not be found in civil contempt for failure to comply with the judgment in this matter. It is further ordered and that defendant Kyle Russell Curtis immediately update his address on the court's electronic filing system to reflect his current residence, and that he follow the directions of the court as provided to associate himself with the case in the court's electronic filing system. Should Mr. Curtis change his address in the future, he is ordered to update that change on his user profile in the court's electronic filing system within 24 hours of his change of address. It is so ordered the 5th day of October 2021, signed by the judge. Then, on the 19th, so Kyle showed up. To the surprise of actually probably most people, he actually showed the fuck up. So, what happened? Let's see what the court has to say. State of North Carolina, Guilford County, Stephen McRae, plaintiff, versus Kyle Russell Curtis, defendant. In the General Court of Justice, Superior Court Division 19, CVS 8163, order continuing hearing. The court held a hearing on the show cause order on October 15th, 2021, ECF number 74. The order was directed to defendant Kyle Russell Curtis, Mr. Curtis, as a result of his failure to comply with multiple orders of this court. Mr. Curtis was required to show cause why he should not be held in criminal contempt for failure to appear at prior hearings, as well as civil contempt for failure to comply with the judgment ECF number 74. And subsequent orders ECFs number 26, 57, 61, and 66. Order 66. Requiring him to produce certain information and documents. Plaintiff appeared Plaintiff appeared on October 15th. Plaintiff appeared! He actually, even the court's surprised. On October 15th, 2021 through counsel. Mr. Curtis, plaintiff. That's Steve. Yeah, Steve showed up. Yeah, never mind. I got that backwards. Plaintiff is Steve. Steve appeared through counsel on October 15th, 2021 through counsel. Mr. Curtis appeared pro se. Miss Lee Howell, Assistant Director Attorney for Guilford County, was also present. Assistant District Attorney. Okay. Following receipt of information from Miss Howell, I don't know how to pronounce this name, and from the court regarding the penalties for civil and criminal contempt, which include incarceration, and an explanation of his right to counsel. Mr. Curtis moved for the opportunity to obtain counsel before proceeding with the hearing. Wait, I changed my mind. I'm gonna bring a lawyer. The court found that the request continuance was in the interest of justice and granted the motion. The hearing on the show cause order has been rescheduled for November 9th, 2021 at 9:30 a.m. at the North Carolina Business Court. The appearance bond governing Mr. Curtis will remain in place. So whoever paid the bond for him, that they are not giving that up because they're continuing the hearing, basically. So it's like, no, you ain't going, no, you're not getting any of this back because we need to make sure you still show up. Makes sense. Mr. Curtis remains required to show cause as to why he should not be held in civil contempt for his continuing failure to comply with the judgment and orders of this court. Once Mr. Curtis has retained counsel, a notice of appearance should be filed with the Guilford County Clerk of Court, as well as the court's electronic filing system. It is hereby ordered that defendant Kyle Russell Curtis shall appear before the court at 9:30 a.m. on Tuesday, November 9th, 2021 at the North Carolina Business Court, 211 North Green Street, Greensboro, North Carolina 27401, to show cause why he should not be found in criminal contempt for complying or for failure, why he should not be held in criminal contempt for failing to comply with the court's 13th May 2021, 25th May 2021, and 30th June 2021 orders, and also to show cause why he should not be found in civil contempt for failing to comply with the judgment and orders in this matter. So it is ordered this the 19th day of October 2021. Signed by the judge. So, that's where we're at. That's what was ordered. That's what did happen. That's what didn't happen. Basically, Kyle showed up, but he didn't present anything and requested counsel. The court said, okay, you can get counsel. You have until November 9th. That is when the next hearing is scheduled for. And so, get your counsel. We're keeping your bond money. Make sure that's filed. Although I am going to get a little bit of a giggle because so far there is no filing for, we're still at 75. So there is no filing of any counsel for Kyle yet. As well as like whether or not he's actually still going to comply, because as far as I know, he's still not complying. So as far as I am aware, which again, I have obviously limited knowledge, but as far as I'm aware, we still don't have the Non Sequitur Show channel back, so there still has been no compliance since the 15th, and it is the 19th now. So, I guess we'll have to wait until November 19th and wait and see if Kyle actually gets himself a lawyer this time. Pretty sure that GoFundMe for a lawyer is still up. Anyway, that's everything from me. Steve is going to be live sometime after 10 p.m. EST to talk about Todd Chrisley's lawsuit, his lawsuit, both against Katie Joy. I will be going over Todd Chrisley's on Sunday. I'll be taking a look at that. So I will see you guys for Sunday. Make sure to like and share and subscribe and, you know, become a member and support this, me laughing to read this nonsense because it hurts my brain. Actually, I really enjoy reading the dockets. The dockets are fun. Like, I get a kick out of these. So I don't feel so bad. But when it comes to litigation, law is weird. It's kind of wibbly wobbly. So don't forget to share this. Hopefully I will remember to update the ECFs that we covered previously. If you are new and you haven't been following this has been going on for 2 years, and there is a link to the very beginning in the description down below. I hope everybody has a good day. I might be joining Steve later tonight over on his channel, but I'm not sure yet. I'm not entirely sure what's going on. Leave your comments and opinions down below. We should have a Q&A stream on this case. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, it was a pretty short stream, but I mean, I went through 1, 2, 3, 4 dockets, so, you know, whatever. Whoops, I probably shouldn't show that. Why is that even there? Get out of here. I was watching League of Legends videos. Okay. Hey, that's a half an hour, yeah. That's about right. Steve's channel is just his name. So if you type in Steve McRae, his name will come up. His channel should be the first thing that pops. But yeah, I hope everybody has a good day. I hope everybody's enjoying the lovely weather. It was really nice out today. But, of course you're invited, Feline, of course. Kyle's Goldfish for 20 said, because of your patience and kindness, and are you tired or just sick of reading these every time Kyle fucks up? Buy some coffee to keep you awake or some hot chocolate or wine to help you sleep. Thank you, my first super chat. Oh, thank you much, Kyle's Goldfish. That's adorable. Am I tired or just sick of reading these? This situation is absolutely absurd on its core. Like, what is this? Why is this going on for 2 years? This is about a YouTube channel that somebody said they don't care about and that is dead and doesn't care. But they do care so much that they will not. It's just this whole court case is just butthurt. It's just Kyle is butthurt. And it's just like, stop. This should have been over a year ago, a year and a half ago even. Hell, this should have been over within a couple of months when it defaulted. But no, it can't be. We have to keep going. We have to keep wading through this just sewage shit show nonsense. And I get to a point, it's tiring. Because I want to just go do the show. I just want to go have cool conversations about complicated topics. And we can't. We're not allowed. So, I don't mind. I don't mind reading these because they're fun, but it gets a little bit tiring that it's still going on. So that's how I feel about it. I am looking forward to reading Todd Chrisley's case about KJ. I'm also looking forward to, once we have the show back, I intend to still follow through because I want to know what happens afterwards, because just because it's over for Steve and Non-Sequitur Show does not necessarily mean that it's over for Kyle. And I still want to follow the case and see what happens, because I'm just very curious. I need to draw a Halloween Murphy of the D&D character Murphy, because I think I'm just gonna call this goblin Murphy. I feel like that's just her name or his name. She's kind of androgynous. It's kind of androgynous. They're kind of androgynous. dead channel that got more thumbs down live on the stream after it died. Yeah. Damn you, Chish. I was gonna catch up on KJ getting sued videos on my lunch. Oh, well, mine's not until Sunday, so you've got time. I'm not like chomping at the bit. Do you know what I mean? It can wait till Sunday. It's not gonna go anywhere. Plus, it'll be really fun because then there'll be enough time for the reactions to sort of come through, so we can look at the lawsuit and see kind of what's where how are we deciding to handle this? Poorly? Is it poorly? I get the idea that it's probably going to be poorly, but, you know. I think you're just too invested to stop following. Sunk cost fallacy? Yeah, I need to know. This is dramatic. What's Kyle gonna do next? I'm still holding out for those plane tickets to Mexico. I'm holding out, man. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish making my second batch of apple cider. Hopefully it comes out better than my first batch. My first batch had a little bit too much cinnamon in it. And then I have one more batch to finish after that, so I'm excited. I'm gonna try some apple cider. I hope everybody is excited for Critical Role on Thursday, because Campaign 3 is starting, and ooh, I'm avoiding spoilers. I don't know who's playing what, or why they're playing what they are. I don't know their class, I don't know their races, I don't know anything. I'm looking forward to it. But I am going to get on out of here. Thank you for your super chat. Thank you for your continued support. Those who are members, Pucks in the chat, Shrigley Puffs in the chat, for everybody who, you know, what's Kyle going to do next time? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 will surprise you. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the 9th of November, which is, let's see, how far away is that actually? That is 1, 2, 3 weeks. It's 3 weeks from now. So, 3 weeks. I'll be back to see what happened, and yeah, that's exact. Smitty got it. Make this batch with too little cinnamon and then mix them together. That's actually exactly what I'm doing. I hope everybody has a good day. I hope if you're stressed out, drink some water, stretch, unclench your jaw, relax your shoulders, and have a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye.